What's your major?
Data science.
Environmental science.
Information systems.
Computer science and engineering. I'm an electrical engineering major.
Astrophysics.
Data science, concentration in computer science.
My name is Luke Unver. I'm a first-year medical student here at UT.
And my name is John. I'm a first-year medical student here as well.
Is any technique that enables machines to mimic intelligence. And then a subset of machine learning is actually deep learning. Deep learning, it's been able to solve a lot of the questions and problems that have been there for decades now.
Deep learning, artificial intelligence cuts across all sorts of disciplines, not just engineering. I mean, you talk about healthcare system data, education. I think some of the projects that I've seen from current data science students that they've done, I've been kind of impressed at how broad they are in terms of going in a lot of different ways.
We all know it's really hot and important right now, but now we have some local resources pulling it all together, building the right community for all of us to use. My biggest message, you always have to look for that extra edge, that extra opportunity to do the initiative and get the extra training and be up on all these technologies.
That's one thing that we need to explore is what local companies are there and what are they types of people are they looking for, what types of skills, what types of internships opportunities they have, and then we can try to calibrate what we're doing to facilitate that.
What we're doing right now as a business is we have application engineers like us, both for industry and for universities. And we try to work with the industry and universities to find that gap and try to fill that gap.
For those of you who are new to iCode, so this is really our professional development program on campus. Bridge the gap in between classroom teaching and industry demands. This is actually our very first seminar hosted on our campus, so we are really delighted to make this happen with the Mathworks team.
I hope you fully engage in this seminar on AI. And isn't it just like Juice House to have such a timely topic, to be on the cutting edge, to provide information and education for our students, staff, community, and just anyone who is using our facilities today. So congratulations to Juice House for hosting this seminar on such a timely topic.
We're pretty impressed that there was such a great turnout for the event. A lot of questions, a lot of interaction. And so we're really glad to see that there was a lot of excitement around this event. And we had a really great experience working with the team here to organize this event, so yeah.
Very nice event. I think the students would benefit a lot from that. I think the iCode blend seems like a great thing for the data science students to be doing. They take a machine learning course in computer science, and I know that that's one of the courses that the students really look forward to. They're really interested in the machine learning and the AI aspect of it. This would help them understand how to be more prepared for internships and going into technical things by connecting up with Juice House in this program. I think it's a good idea. Yeah.
That's what brought me here today, is I saw that they were doing this event open to faculty, students, even the public community to come in to do really valuable things, which is introduce deep learning, AI, these tools to a broad population. I'm glad that the Juice House is doing this, bringing the different groups together, people from all the different colleges.
If I was a student here and I wanted to get into this region, what area would you suggest people start to explore more?
Image processing, of course, is a big thing now. And its application goes into autonomous vehicles and autonomous applications, ranging from robots all the way to medical imaging. And then deep learning in general is booming everywhere, so it's something to, if you are an expert on, will be very valuable if you're exploring, work in the industry, definitely.
And so I only hope this continues to grow, and and it's not just the science students or the engineer students, but we're continually pulling in from all the students, because as we just saw, these tools are easier and easier to use, and everyone can participate.
Yeah, it's like embedded systems.
People are interested in deep learning. So
Machine learning is very new to me, so learning about it altogether is a good experience, I would say.
good to learn something new.
That would optimize between.
Yes, definitely. It's super important to stay up on the latest and greatest technology, especially as a student.
And MATLAB is something that's completely new to me. But I understand that this is very relevant to me in the future, especially if I'm going to go into the electrical engineering industry, right? So I think it's a good exposure for me. So that's my biggest takeaway from this whole seminar.
I got to see how the MATLAB deep learning system, like the framework, like the design, everything, I got to know how it works.
Yeah, so I'm already versed in AI. That's what I do for my research. So it was just cool to see the functionality that MATLAB had, because I wasn't aware. I've done all my stuff in Python. I wasn't aware of some of the stuff that they had. It was cool. It was cool. It's different. It's a different approach. I just thought it was cool.
So seeing how she showed how to validate the data, how it works, how all the system comes together, I really enjoyed throughout.
I thought it was fantastic. I really enjoyed the kind of going over MATLAB and kind of understanding the creation of the kind of end goal product. That was pretty neat. Honestly, something like this again would be really awesome. Something offshooting this would be really great.
Is very applicable to medicine, and that we are usually using a lot of our own brain power and computation in order to make diagnoses, to find new treatment, and AI is especially helpful for that kind of thing, because we are trying our best to make things more accurate, more evidence-based, and I think that AI can really help with that.
I think it's really going to revolutionize how we do a lot of things. And for me, specifically with medicine, I think it's going to be really impactful, discovering new drug modalities and ways to treat patients and deliver care. I would like to see more of these, because I think they give a lot of context for really difficult or fields that are on the forefront of technology. So I think having the ability to learn these as students and getting to be familiar with them now is going to save us a lot of time and energy in the future, and it's just going to help us put us in the most competitive place.